Hello everyone, we are the Maxplorer team, and as you may all know, we had a very ambitious project, but it unfortunately did not go as planned. Even though we did not go well as we had planned, we will not consider this mission a failure, because we learned a lot of things through the process of this mission.
I learned Arduino and OpenCV, which I program in Python, and let me do the color segmentation and show only one color in the image. That was the CanSet color.
I learned how to do the calculation and construction of the parachute from the scratch.
We learned how to design antennas like Yakuza and Chimpo.
With this project, we were able to learn a new skill, which was 3D modeling with Fusion 360. And with this, we were able to see all the process with 3D modeling.
As one of the judges mentioned yesterday, just learning more is not enough if the next year's participants and we next year make the same mistakes. Therefore, what we did was we also tried to spread our project as much as we possibly could. Using different social medias, we made content tailored to each social media, so content on YouTube or on Instagram was completely different. And over here we have a QR code to our website, which will take you to our website, which has all the links to our other social media pages also. Over here you can see some information, well, with the projector not so much, but over here there is some information about our YouTube. We reached about 637 different accounts through our YouTube. So along this time we had 637 views on our channel. 30.7% of them were from Portugal and about 69.3% of them were from abroad, which is a bit surprising to us, but also encourages a lot because it means that we managed to spread our project not only inside this country, but also abroad. Over here we have some information on our Instagram and Facebook. Well, over here, thankfully, most of the people were from Portugal, and as you can see, the main district over here that saw our Instagram pages were from Lisbon. We also shared content to India, and specifically from the city of Mumbai. Also, we had viewers from Israel, Germany, and Qatar. What we also see over here is, in the span of 1 week, we managed to reach 1,528 accounts on Instagram through our videos, which is very exciting as it is a huge amount of people. On our website, we basically had, on our website also we had a lot of people entering. We made our website and planned our website so that we had all our information resumed over there, so all our social media was directly linked to our website, so as we published on social media it would get directly to our website. You see the first peak on that graph is when we actually started making QR codes and distributing it to our friends so that they could access our website and share it with their friends and so on and so forth. Down, we also did SEO for our website, which is search engine optimization. So right now, if you go on Google and search CanSat Maxplorer, our website comes up. It's on the first or the second link. Our YouTube, the same thing, and even our other social media pages. Over here, you also see that the main page people visited was our homepage. We did this because we know that nowadays people have a short attention span, so we put most of our information and most important information on our homepage, so people did not have to click too many times and get bored of clicking. And on other pages, we had our second one was the About Us page and blogs, which more of information on our project and the CanSat project in general. What went well? Well, in our project we did not have much that went well, unfortunately, but what did go well was our parachute worked perfectly. And even the container that we made after several tests, in our first test we had made it with 2 millimeters and it broke, and in this we have it made in 4 millimeters and it is in perfect condition, not a single scratch on it. What didn't go so well? Well, in our opinion, the main problem that we had was time management. After our equipment came and we started building, we found a few problems, but we did not have time to fix those problems, and we continued insisting on trying to fix problems, and therefore we did not manage to finish constructing our CanSat, and that's why we did not manage to get any data. What we learned from these mistakes? Well, we learned a lot. First of all, managing our time, we did not think it would be that important because we thought we would have a lot of time. And now we know that time management is fundamental in projects like this. Divide our time, structure it, and plan stuff much better. And that's what we will be doing from now on. Improvements. Well, one of the things we saw in our Kansat was we basically soldered it using wires, and we found, after speaking to one of our judges, that it might have not been the smartest plan, and therefore he explained to us another process which we searched more on, and that's why we have another process over here which is joining different points using basically solder paste and connecting them that way, which seems more efficient and probably is stronger also as wires will probably break. Well, thank you to all the judges, to all the camera also for this event. If you have any questions, we're here to answer them, and we would also like to hear from you all any feedback on our presentation and on our project. Thank you.
Do you know what is really needed in your team? A girl. I'm kind of convinced that if you have a girl, you have a very good chance to be well succeeded. Am I right?
Most probably, yes.
I just wanted to say you did something really great, that you shared with everybody the way to do outreach, the way to improve your outreach, even when you create search algorithms and everything like that. You shared that. That is a very good work. And last, you did something yesterday that was very important. You wanted to learn something new, and you wanted to transmit here, and you managed to do all that work. It didn't show very well on the photo. It's not very good.
We tried to upload it on our PowerPoint, but it was not uploading unfortunately. But we have a few videos. If you want, we can show you afterwards.
Okay, but it was not for me. It was all
Yes,
for
yes,
all
yes.
your colleagues.
We will be publishing it on our social
What
media.
you did was you learned how to use the perforated boards that come with the Kansat kit, and to do the almost as it was a PCB, but done at the time. You learned that from yesterday to today. So for that, congratulations.
Thank you.
Just another very tough question. How many likes and viewers would you have if you had succeeded in the mission?
I hope
With
they
the
will.
videos showing going up, coming down in the parachute, getting the data. How many?
I think it would be fantastic. I think even just the fact that we would, because our mission was based on having a second drone that would launch and rescue. Just that, and we also used color segmentation. We were planning on using that video and uploading that video. Unfortunately, it was not possible, even though the code works perfectly. So if we had to upload just that video of the color segmentation, I think it would have been fantastic.
Exploding.
Exactly.
Second question. Can I join the team and have a t-shirt like that?
Sure. Thanks.
So congratulations again for making the most of the communication and showing everybody how it is. Please remind me, what year are you?
We are in the 12th standard. We just finished our 12th.
Okay, so you cannot apply to Kansat, but you can apply to further
Rockets.
other rockets, for example. Yes. Okay, thank you.